Well, I don't know if this is a solution in search of a problem or not. I was able to install this. The bolts are a little bit, they could be a little bit longer. This is the factory bolt here, and this is a bolt that came with it, a nut and bolt. Now we can see here that it's pretty easy to get something up through this. It's an overhead door brand garage door, which is pretty much the standard. I did tie this rope up because what's to keep somebody from reaching in and grabbing the rope by breaking the window? But anyways, it worked. I'm not sure, there were no instructions, but the bolt holes on the garage door bracket demanded that this was really the only way I could mount it. So that's it.